Right on. Cool. So thank you very much. Let's make a cocktail here because I think that's really what we're all about.
Let's do it. Let's get the people their drinks.
Let's get the people their drinks. Let's bring Steve on in. Hi, Steve.
Hi, y'all.
What's up, Steve? How you doing?
Hi, Mark.
What's going on?
Do you want to talk about this cocktail you're about to make? The spec is up here. We encourage you guys to make it at home, post it. You saw the link to grab 10 to 1, or you can find it in our newsletter to get it delivered to your door.
Yeah, so this is Caribbean inspired, obviously, 10 to 1. So we're going to start with a little 10 to 1 rum. And it's called Phonographic Memories because there is a book about how Caribbean music ties you to the memories of where you are. So I thought that would be really important to what we've been talking about today and how you incorporate sense memory. So I've added my 10 to 1 rum. I'm going to add a little Creole Shrub just to keep everything in the Caribbean.
Put the spec up here one more time.
Yeah. And then I made a yellow curry and honey syrup. When I was researching like Trini food, a lot of chutney is present and marmalade, and so I wanted to incorporate those flavors. And
what's in that syrup? How'd you make the syrup?
It's just 1 to 1 honey and yellow curry powder and water. You know, you never boil a syrup because you don't want it to start to crystallize. So I just put it on the stove, let it simmer so the honey dissolves with the water a little bit, add the curry powder, let all the flavors melt together.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good. Then we're going to add a little orange juice. Make everything fun and delicious. Add our ice. Mark, tell me about your favorite Trini food.
Favorite Trini food? Yeah, well, so you're speaking my language with the curry right there. I'd say for any Trini you talk to, you're probably going to find that they're talking about either like curry chicken, curry and roti.
Yeah.
So Trinidad is like 40% Indian, 40% Black by ethnicity, bunch of mixed white Syrian, Lebanese, Chinese. So we kind of have everything there, and it means that the food is incredible. So roti and curry. We have like an Indian street food called doubles, which is amazing.
Yeah.
And then macaroni pie, which is like our version of sort of a baked mac and cheese that every Trini mom makes for you or whatever. Those would be my favorites. They're all amazing.
If macaroni and cheese isn't baked, it's not real. I just want to go ahead and tell you that.
let them know, Steve. Make sure everybody knows.
Yeah. As a person from the South, if there's no crust on it, it's fucking suspect as hell. So I'm going to strain into this glass, add a little ice already crushed, just to make it real summery, because I live in Alabama and it's still hot as hell here. So
Right. Need that ice.
Yeah. And then, you know how everybody loves to put a little tangine on fruit? I put a little extra curry powder.
Oh.
Oranges.
Oh, nice.
So that we just have a little extra flavor on the top, because that never hurts anybody's feelings, right? So cheers to you.
Wow, look at that. We'll throw this up one more time. By the way, Mark, our office apartment is in Crown Heights, so we're like in the epicenter of the Trini food universe in Brooklyn.
Oh yeah, exactly. So you sampled a little bit of Trini fare in your time, right?
Roti, for sure.
Yeah. No, when you have a little bit of when you have all the pangings and the and sort of missing the food and stuff, getting over to Brooklyn, getting over to Crown Heights in particular, is always a nice escape. Yeah.
Awesome. Very cool. Right on. All right, so let's bring on Fred here.